They help to bringing and chewing the food. And this is a structure of teeth. There are total 32 teeth in our mouth. And this is a layer of teeth. The first layer are called enamel and crown. They are very hardest layers. And the middle layer is called dentine and neck. And the last layer is called pulp. And pulp gives nourishment to our teeth. ink टैंक में इकट्ठा होता है, फिर ये फिल्ट्रेशन टैंक में जाता है, जिससे वो वाटर छन जाता है, फिर वो लास्ट में पीने लायक पानी बन जाता है। फिर हम इसे बहुत सारी चीज़ों में उपयोग कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि पौधों में पानी डाल सकते हैं, खेतों में पानी डाल सकते हैं, कपड़े धो सकते हैं, नहा सकते हैं, पी सकते हैं।
When the moon between of moon and so the earth and lunar eclipse. The earth is between the moon and the sun, and the lunar eclipse about the lunar eclipse is
हमने बटरफ्लाइज फोटोग्राफ से बहुत हाईलाइट होती है इस तरह की सेल्फी स्टैंड। सभी पेरेंट्स को मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी समय निकाल कर यहाँ जरूर एक बार शामिल होंगे और मेमोरेबल पिक कैप्चर करा के यहाँ से जाएंगे। कहने के लिए साइंस एग्जीबिशन है, बट आप लोग पढ़े ही होंगे नोटिस में आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट। मैम बैठिए, पीछे से मैं भी इसलिए हम लोग साइंस एग्जीबिशन में जरूर शामिल होइएगा। आप सब बच्चों को मोटिवेट साथ साथ क्रॉस क्वेश्चन पूछ कर ये बतौलिएगा कि कितना उनको नॉलेज है जो वो
It helps to identify oceans and continents. The globe have some disadvantage. The globe cannot carry to around. The globe is not so detailed of information. Thank you.
समेटिव असेसमेंट फर्स्ट, उसके बाद यहाँ शामिल होने आएंगे।
The earth has 1% water.
Just you give your introduction.
And salivary gland help produce saliva, which help to change starch into sugar, and it help to chew the food, and some help to mixing food and swallow the food. And the food go in stomach by the esophagus. Esophagus is a muscular pipe, and in esophagus is no digestion.
बच नहीं रहा, ऑयली ज़्यादा खाने क्या कारण है?
You see this side, there are 4 directions of globe. First north, second south, third east, and last one is west. There are 3 heat zones. First torrid zone, second temperate zone, and last one frigid zone. Earth is very unique planet. Earth is the only planet that has life. Animals, human and birds live on the earth.
एक क्वेश्चन
Yes, sir.
डायरेक्शन हम कैसे जानेंगे यार, तुम्हें कहीं है
वेरी गुड गौरव। और आप लोग देख भी सकते हैं यहाँ एलईडी में
सर यहाँ से
बच्चों के प्रोजेक्ट
है वहाँ पर
हाईलाइट हो रहे हैं। आप लोग एक बार भी नजर दीजिएगा जो बच्चे प्रोजेक्ट बनाए हैं।
लेयर्स में
Central
ओजोन भी
meeting
आता है
Paris.
क्या?
First, go to the class teacher. There you will get the answer sheet of the exam essay 1. After that, there will be prize distribution program, including art and craft exhibition. जैसे हमने बोला पर जरूर सेल्फी जोन में आइएगा। आप लोग मेमोरेबल यादगार आज के डेट में यहाँ मौजूद रहेगा। मैं सारे पेरेंट्स को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी एक बार सेल्फी जोन में जरूर आइएगा एक पिक के लिए। बनाया गया है उसको देख सकते हैं, ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं। It's my humble request to all their parents. Please go inside of the classroom and first take out the answer sheet of your kids of essay 1 exam. Then you can come back here and you can observe the beautiful craft and also be a part of the award ceremony in our Lotus Public School Bhadgaon. सारे पालक गरुड़ से अनुरोध है कि आप जो है अपने इस क्राफ्ट जो कि आपके बच्चों के द्वारा ही निर्मित किया गया है उसको देख सकते हैं, उसका सेल्फी भी ले सकते हैं और बहुत सारे दूसरे क्राफ्ट हमारे बच्चों के द्वारा 3D एंड 2D फॉर्म में बना हुआ है। एंड धीरज सिंह पेरेंट 100% फर्स्ट रैंक। नेक्स्ट इज Charimal. So what is the project? Speak about the project. What is the theme and their main functions? Explain it.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My project is solar eclipse and lunar eclipse.
Okay.
The moon is between the earth and the sun is called a solar eclipse. And the moon rotates 90 degrees is called a lunar eclipse. No, ma'am.
Try to explain about this model. It's a free model. It's nothing very pretty actually. It's quite nice. Explain it.
Good morning, ma'am, and respected director, sir, and respected vice principal, ma'am. This is my project on types of teeth, structure of teeth, and layers of teeth. This is a structure of teeth. There are total 32 teeth in dentine and neck. The last layer is called pulp and root. Pulp gives nourishment to our teeth. And my next topic is the types of teeth. The first type of the teeth is called incisors, and the second type of the teeth is called canine, and the third type of the teeth is called premolar, and the last part of the teeth are called molars. Molars help to grinding and chewing our food. Premolars help to brushing and chewing our food. And canines help to tear and chew our food. And incisors help to cutting and biting our food.
Okay. Now, can you tell about the difference in the shape of the teeth?
Yes, ma'am. Molars are broad and flat shaped of the teeth, and the premolars are
Less broad.
less broad than molars, and the canines are sharp teeth, and the incisors are thin and broad teeth. अगर हमारे शरीर में दांतों की सबसे बड़ी भूमिका होती है. Now I can tell you something oral hygiene. The good oral hygiene. The good oral hygiene are flossing the teeth. When we floss our teeth, the germs came out of the
How
teeth.
we should
How
brush?
to brush? Come on, show it.
We should brush twice a day.
Okay. What about tongue?
Tongue has to taste our food.
So we should clean tongue or not?
Yes, we should clean our tongue also.
Okay, very good, Beja.
Thank you, ma'am.
वेरी गुड इवनिंग. कौन टीचर्स ने वेरीफाई किए थे? कौन बताया इसको? चलिए ठीक. ओके थैंक यू. वेरी गुड.
The tank then it passes the rainwater to the filtration tank. Then filtration tank passes the water to the well, and then we can drink and give water to the plants, animals, and wash our clothes and many things.
It's kind of conservation of water, no? And water. Yeah, very good.
स्कूल मॉडल है आपका.
He will describe in Hindi.
Come on, explain about the water harvesting in Hindi. It's afternoon.
Water tank. वर्षा होती है तो वर्षा का पानी पाइप द्वारा वाटर टैंक में चले जाता है। और सूखे के दिनों में बहुत आदमी प्यास से मर जाते हैं तो इस पानी को हम फिल्टर करके पी सकते हैं और पौधों में भी छिड़क सकते हैं।
Very good, beta. Very good.
I am fine, ma'am. And what about you?
I'm a model. Speak loud now. What is this model? Explain the every corner parts of the
My
model.
model name is parts of brain.
Okay.
There are 6 main parts of brain. First, parietal lobe. Second, frontal lobe.
Okay.
Third, temporal lobe. Fourth, occipital lobe. Fifth, cerebellum. And the last one is the spinal cord.
Okay. What is their function? Could you describe anyone?
Frontal lobe control motor skills.
Okay. And working with her ma'am. Okay. You continue, beta. Speak about the function. Frontal lobe. Yeah.
Spinal cord move reflex action.
Okay.
And cerebellum is like a little brain.
Oh. Yeah.
Occipital lobes are found in the spinal cord.
That's just era of the spinal cord. Very good. And what is
Working system.
वीडियो भेजे थे ना show it. Is this working model? Switch on this. Why you not switch on this? Come on, switch on this.
फाइल नहीं है, हम तीनों का नाम आया पर यही रोटेट नहीं होगा।
Okay, done. Okay, come on, explain the 8 planets.
There are 8 planets in our solar system. First, Mercury.
Okay, which one is the Mercury?
This one is the Mercury.
Okay.
Second, Venus.
Okay.
Third, Earth.
हाँ.
Fourth, Mars.
ना पोजीशन में नहीं है सर, मॉडल में इसमें नहीं है।
Saturn.
Seven.
Seventh,
कंडीशन खराब है।
and last one is
Neptune. Okay. Which planet is called a blue planet?
Earth planet is called a blue planet.
Okay. And which one is the one of the smallest and hottest planet in our solar system?
Our solar system is smaller and hottest planet is called Mercury.
And what about the biggest and
Largest
largest planet on our solar system?
our solar system largest and biggest planet is called Jupiter.
Oh, very good, Peter.
South Pole and the North Pole.
Okay, can you define the globe? What is the definition of globe?
The globe is a miniature model of the Earth and
क्वेश्चन करेंगे सर।
हाँ चलिए।
The nervous system is collect message and send message. The process of control of body and digest and heartbeat.
miniature model of the Earth and it is spherical in the shape to identify its help to identify oceans and continents and the globe has some physical feature of the Earth like ocean, mountain and continent. The globe have some imaginary lines, equator, latitudes and longitudes. The globe has some disadvantage. First disadvantage is it is difficult to carry around and second advantage is it is cannot show detailed information. Thank you.
Very good, very good. It's also the globe now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's a miniature model of the Earth. Okay, very good. Okay. Can you tell me better how many days the Earth take time to rotation in this Milky Way?
Ma'am,
Okay, 360 days takes. Okay. And how many times they start to move one around in their own place?
24 hours.
Okay, 24 hours. Very good, Peter. Can you define their direction, like which one is the south and north pole and
Ma'am,
also?
you see this side, first north,
Okay.
second south, third east, and last one is west.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, very good. Keep on going back. Hey,
Good morning.
that is why you make the cave of store?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, it's looking quite pretty. And
The features of paralysis 8 are that is Yes, ma'am.
What kind of cave is it's made by the stone or the mud?
Yes, ma'am.
It's made by the stone.
Yes, ma'am.
It's a parallel edge. Very good. Keep on going. In our galaxy, 8 planets. Okay. What about the 9th planet? What happened that? I mean, the Pluto also they used to be called the 9th planet, no? But nowadays we can't classify it as a 9th number of planet. So why we not consider the 9th number of planet as a Pluto? Because it's a draft. It's a draft. Fauna. Very part. Oh, it's nervous system. Okay. Can you tell me any function of the nervous system?
This is nervous system is main function of collect message and send message.
Okay.
This is mode of our part of body. This is communication network mode of nervous.
Okay.
This is control of digest and heartbeat.
Okay.
This is breathing and trigger reaction.
Okay. Can you tell me all the nervous system connected to the spinal cord directly or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Peter.
Good morning, ma'am.
Oh, how many systems? Human body parts? It's the internal human body parts of systems.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell about this?
This is a human
Heart.
circulatory system.
Okay.
Any heart.
Okay.
This is circulate the blood in the all part of body.
Okay. What about this excretory systems?
The excretory system is a part of a kidney and
And which help to filter what?
water
From
from
water or urine? Filtration urine from the blood. Okay. And what about this, the smallest one?
this is a respiratory system.
Okay. How many pairs of the lungs?
Two.
2 pairs of lungs. Okay. Explain it better.
The lungs is increasing and decrease the breath
Okay.
and diaphragm in lungs downward and upward and you are the breathing to lungs and decrease the breath.
Okay. One by one you can do the all the necessary systems. Yeah. Maintain. Okay. Very good. Keep on doing. This one is your? Okay. And what about this one? It's also? Okay. This one, no? Okay. How many pairs of the kidney in a human body we find out? How many pairs of the kidney we can find out inside of the human body? Two pairs. Okay. Explain this diagram, beta.
Kidney are bean shaped.
Okay. Which one is a kidney? Can you give? Yeah. This is the kidney. Okay.
One kidney is a reddish brown in color and
Uh-huh.
kidney होता है वो कहते हैं
Yeah.
लाल भूरे रंग का होता है.
Okay.
Reduce temperature of ignited blood through the kidney arteries.
Okay, very good. And what is your project here? Good afternoon.
Help to chew the food, tongue help to swallow the food.
Tell me the every name of this organ, one by one.
Mouth cavity, esophagus,
Yeah.
liver,
Okay.
gallbladder,
Okay.
stomach, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, rectum and anus.
Okay. Which kind of acid we can find out the gallbladder? No, gallbladder. Which kind of acid as a juice they contain inside of our body? Okay. HCl, no? Hydrochloric acid. No, the gallbladder and the stomach, the front area of the gallbladder you can get out. Okay? Very good. Sit.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी। मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। अपने संग तुझको वहाँ जन्नत से मुलाकात हो, पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ। आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। गुजरे ऐसी हर रात रात हो, ख्वाहिशों से बात बात आशाएं लेकर सूरज से आग आग गाए जा अपना राग राग। आशाएं कुछ ऐसा करके दिखा, खुद खुश हो जाए खुदा। आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
कांधे पे सूरज टिका के चला तू, हाथों में भर के चला बिजलियां। कांधे पे सूरज टिका के चला तू, हाथों में भर के चला बिजलियां। तूफान भी सोचे जिद तेरी कैसी, ऐसा जुनू है किसी में का। बहता चला तू, उड़ता चला तू, जैसे उड़े बेधड़क आंधिया। बहता चला तू, उड़ता चला तू, जैसे उड़े आंधिया। मंजर है ये नया, मंजर नया, मंजर है ये नया, कि उड़ रही है बेधड़क सी आंधियां। मंजर है ये नया, मंजर नया, मंजर है ये नया, कि उड़ रही है बेधड़क सी आंधियां। बनते थे रस्ते लोहे से बसते, बसतों में तू भर चला आसमां। आएंगी सदियां जाएंगी सदियां, रह जाएंगे फिर भी तेरे निशान। बहता चला तू उड़ता चला तू, जैसे उड़े बेधड़क आंधिया। बहता चला तू उड़ता चला तू, जैसे उड़े आंधिया। मंजर है ये नया, मंजर नया, मंजर है ये नया, के उड़ रही है बेधड़क सी आंधियां। मंजर है ये नया, मंजर नया। के उड़ रही है बेधड़क सी आंधियां।
तेरा हिमालय आकाश छूले, बहती रहे तेरी गंगा। ऊंचा हो इतना इतना बुलंद हो, तारों को छूमे तिरंगा। माँ से है माटी, माँ से है माथा, माथे पे माटी सजा के चले। माए चलती